Hi everyone, it's from TW Cars. Today I'm going to show you a Peugeot 1.6 EHDI engine oil pressure sensor switch. This is in a silly place, to be honest. I'll show you. You have to take DPF out for this one. If you see inside, right by the manifold, that's the switch, is location for the oil pressure. So I'll show you the old one. This is the old switch. Getting to that is not easy, so you need to take this all out. Thank you.